with me for a little garden harvest in my backyard. First up, we have my potatoes, and I made a big mistake with these. This is my second time growing potatoes, but my first time growing in grow bags. I got gifted 3 little seed potatoes from my local community garden. This is the Dutch cream variety, so I think they are quite small. I knew they were ready to be harvested, but I left them, and then we got a bunch of rain, so a lot of them went soggy, and some have started to sprout. But no worries, because the chooks will eat them, and I'll have some seed potatoes for next year. Next, we have a little capsicum. This is a bullhorn capsicum variety, and then I harvested one of my baby pumpkins. This variety is called Jack Be Little, and I think they're so darn cute. And then harvested some cosmos flowers for my living room table, and that's my little veggie harvest for the day.